I think the biggest disservice to emerging markets private equity may be in some sense by calling it emerging markets private equity, because the reality is that all of these markets are quite different, as you point out. Unfortunately, I think, when you have a crisis in one emerging market, it unfairly tarnishes emerging markets more broadly. I think one notion that we do like to challenge is that emerging markets private equity is fundamentally higher risk than US private equity and therefore necessitates a higher return. I think most investors tend to focus on the top down when they think about emerging markets. For us, that bottom up about what's going on in the capital markets, to my point about the rise of sector-focused funds, the rise of sector-focused opportunities where you can really slice and dice opportunities, I think that is critical. India is now the fourth largest economy in the world, soon to be the third largest. It's the most active IPO market in the world. It's got a massive base of financial savings that have an opportunity to be channelized into the formal debt capital markets, equity capital markets. And so we found that over the last decade plus, India has been by far our most fruitful market in terms of sourcing co-invest opportunities. I would say probably 50% of our deal pipeline, if not more, tends to be India.